Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. You'll see here on the side of the boat, it's got that beautiful light blue hull color and the chrome graphics. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Starting on the back of the boat, you'll see this Dauntless is going to be powered by a white Mercury 250 horsepower engine. You have an awesome casting platform here in the back with two jump seats that can easily be popped up or folded away if you want to use it for the fishing platform. Live well underneath the helm seat here. Easy access, or this can be used as a cooler if you're not fishing on those days. Reversible pilot seat, easy to move back and forth. I like it in this forward position to use it as a lean post while standing and driving. Up at the helm, you have digital throttle and shift on that Mercury 250. 12-inch Simrad unit for your charts, depth, and everything else you need on the water. Mercury vessel view screen, get all the engine diagnostics in real time, and this boat is powered with JL audio. Overhead, you'll notice we have that light blue hull color is matched under the bottom side of the hardtop. Plenty of rocket launchers, as well as a high tow point off the back of that. And you have an optional ski pylon in the back. Walking forward, you'll see in the head, really nice spaced head for a 22-foot boat. Whaler makes this door extra wide to accommodate getting your shoulders in, so it's nice and comfortable in and out. And you'll see that ski pylon stored in there. You can also fit rods that will extend in coffin box in the front. Up on the front, you have this awesome size coffin box armrests that fold down easily. And then this coffin box also is a huge storage compartment. So you can fit rods, bags, deflated tubes, anything you need to bring for a day on the water. Everything can fit in here. And super easy to open and close that. And this is a lockable box. If you want to leave anything on board, you can do so safely. Up on the front, we have an insulated compartment here for storage underneath this front seat, and then the ankle locker underneath that front cushion. This is a nice lounging sun pad for days when you're hanging out, or you can take these cushions off, you have non-skid underneath to make it a nice size casting platform. So again, this is Mike Love here on 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. If you'd like to see this boat or any other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks. Catch you out on the water.